Number 1. Spectre. Meaning a ghostly presence, a threat or possibility of something undesirable. Synonyms: ghost, apparition, menace. Antonyms: assurance, certainty, safety. Explanation: raising the spectre of EVM manipulation distracts from more critical election integrity issues. Number 2. Pertinent, meaning relevant or applicable to a particular matter. Synonyms: relevant, appropriate, fitting. Antonyms: irrelevant, unrelated, extraneous. Explanation: the article discusses pertinent concerns about election management, like voter turnout and polling practices. Number 3. Brazening, meaning acting boldly and without shame. Synonyms: shameless, defiant, audacious. Antonyms: modest, ashamed, humble. Explanation: the Election Commission's handling of voter list discrepancies is described as brazening out controversies. Number 4. Turnout, meaning the number of people attending or participating in an event. Synonyms: attendance, participation, gathering. Antonyms: absence, non-attendance. Explanation: questions about high voter turnout in certain areas were raised in the article. Number 5. Conspiracy, meaning a secret plan by a group to do something unlawful or harmful. Synonyms: scheme, plot, collusion. Antonyms: truth, openness, honesty. Explanation: claims of EVM manipulation are criticized as illogical conspiracies. Number 6. Disparity, meaning a great difference. Synonyms: inequality, gap, discrepancy. Antonyms: equality, similarity, uniformity. Explanation: highlights the disparity in resources between parties during elections. Number 7. Fractious, meaning easily irritated or unruly, causing division. Synonyms: divisive, contentious, irritable. Antonyms: harmonious, cooperative, agreeable. Explanation: describes the internal conflicts within Scholz's coalition government. Number 8. Austerity, meaning severe economic measures to reduce public expenditure. Synonyms: stringency, frugality, thrift. Antonyms: extravagance, spending, wastefulness. Explanation: the Free Democratic Party's push for austerity created rifts within the coalition. Number 9. Sacked, meaning dismissed from employment. Synonyms: fired, ousted, removed. Antonyms: hired, retained, appointed. Explanation: Olaf Scholz sacked his finance minister, which intensified the crisis. Number 10. Annexation, meaning the act of adding a territory to one's own. Synonyms: seizure, occupation, acquisition. Antonyms: withdrawal, relinquishment, surrender. Explanation: refers to the 2014 annexation of Crimea during Merkel's tenure. Number 11. Turmoil, meaning a state of great disturbance, confusion or uncertainty. Synonyms: chaos, disorder, upheaval. Antonyms: order, calm, tranquility. Explanation: refers to the political turmoil caused by the collapse of Scholz's coalition. Number 12. Frugality, meaning the quality of being economical or thrifty in resource use. Synonyms: thriftiness, economy, prudence. Antonyms: extravagance, wastefulness, profligacy. Explanation: frugality was a point of contention within the coalition. Number 13. Repercussions, meaning unintended and usually negative consequences of an action. Synonyms: consequences, aftermath, effects. Antonyms: causes, antecedents, origins. Explanation: the repercussions of economic mismanagement were felt across Germany. Number 14. Disillusionment, meaning a feeling of disappointment after discovering something is not as good as believed. Synonyms: disenchantment, disappointment, dissatisfaction. Antonyms: hope, optimism, satisfaction. Explanation: disillusionment among voters contributed to Scholz's declining support. Number 15. Reconciliation, meaning the restoration of friendly relations. Synonyms: settlement, resolution, harmony. Antonyms: disagreement, conflict, explanation, highlights efforts to mend India-China ties. Number 16. Antecedent, meaning something that existed before or logically precedes another. Synonyms: precursor, forerunner, predecessor. Antonyms: successor, follower. Explanation: could refer to previous agreements or issues in talks. Number 17. Drowning, meaning death caused by submersion in water and inability to breathe. Synonyms: immersion, submerging, asphyxiation. Antonyms: rescue, survival. Explanation: the primary risk during water related accidents. Number 18. Hypothermia, meaning a medical condition where the body temperature drops below normal. Synonyms: chill, frostbite. Antonyms: hypothermia, overheating. Explanation: one of the life threatening conditions people face in water environments. Number 19. Acrimonious, meaning bitter and angry in tone or speech. Synonyms: bitter, rancorous, hostile. Antonyms: harmonious, pleasant, amicable. Explanation: used to describe disputes that are harsh or hostile. Number 20. Penultimate, meaning second to the last. Synonyms: next to last. Antonyms: ultimate, final. Explanation: refers to something just before the final one in a sequence. Number 21. Acrimony, meaning sharpness or bitterness in speech or manner. Synonyms: resentment, animosity. Antonyms: cordiality, goodwill, kindness. Explanation: reflects ongoing hostility or bitterness. Number 22. Barbs, meaning sharp or biting remarks. Synonyms: jabs, digs, taunts. Antonyms: compliments, praises, flattery. Explanation: typically refers to sarcastic or cutting comments. Number 23. Absurd, meaning ridiculous or unreasonable. Synonyms: ludicrous, preposterous, illogical. Antonyms: rational, sensible, logical. Explanation: often implies lack of logic or sense. Number 24. Exacerbate, meaning to make a situation worse. Synonyms: worsen, aggravate, intensify. Antonyms: alleviate, ameliorate, mitigate. Explanation: commonly used for deteriorating conditions. Number 25. Tenacious, meaning holding firmly to a purpose or course of action. Synonyms: persistent, determined, resolute. Antonyms: yielding, irresolute, weak. Explanation: reflects persistence and determination. Number 26. Catalyst, meaning an agent that provokes or speeds significant change. Synonyms: stimulus, impetus, spark. Antonyms: hindrance, deterrent, obstacle. Explanation: commonly used in both scientific and figurative contexts. Number 27. Eloquent, meaning fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Synonyms: articulate, persuasive, expressive. Antonyms: inarticulate, unpersuasive, mumbling. Explanation: reflects effective communication skills. Number 28. Patriarchal, meaning relating to a system of society controlled by men. Synonyms: male dominated, traditionalist. Antonyms: egalitarian, feminist. Explanation: points to societal structures that enable gender based violence. Number 29. Orchestrate, meaning to arrange or direct the elements of a situation. Synonyms: coordinate, plan, arrange. Antonyms: disorganize, dismantle. Explanation: refers to the deliberate planning of crimes by the perpetrator. Number 30. Deterrence, meaning the act of preventing an action through fear of consequences. Synonyms: discouragement, restraint, prevention. Antonyms: encouragement, incentive. Explanation: refers to the role of punishment in discouraging future crimes. Number 31. Heinous, meaning utterly odious or wicked. Synonyms: atrocious, evil, monstrous. Antonyms: admirable, praiseworthy, good. Solidarity. Explanation: describes the egregious nature of the crimes committed. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, see you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.